Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install OpenCode on Linux operating system such as Fedora, Red Hat, suse, etc. So here, to get the software in Google search box, write there OpenCode. Then go on this opencode.ai site. So this is now currently opening, and now first going to open their terminal. So, or this terminal. Now here, first if I write this curl minus minus version, then you can see this here curl version that already installed. So you can see this is the curl 8.12.1 is already installed. Now let's use the clear command. The next is here going to, with the help of this curl, going to install their. So with the help of this code, going to install their OpenCode. So copying this code, and now let's paste inside there. Now thereafter press enter. So installing this OpenCode. Here you can see the status. You can see this OpenCode that's successfully installed, and here you can see uh, so run open. First we need to change the directory. So first here going to write there pwd. So present working directory is root. Now let's open another terminal, and here, so this place going to use their which command, which open code. So this is an inside of root, then open dot open code, then bin, then there. So first we need to change the directory. So let's use their cd and here root. So first let's use their pwd. So present working directory is the root. Now going to use their cd, then dot open code. So now I'm inside the open code. Let's use their cd, then bin. So this here percent working directory is. Now use their ls. Here you can see open code file is there. After that simply you need to write their open code. So open code is now opening. So here you can see open code is now comes there. Thereafter you can search uh, any question there. So I've given the question hi. This is thinking and returning the output hi. How can I help you? So top Linux command in daily uses. So top Linux command, that is ls cd pwd mkdir rm cm pm cat grep find ch sudo tar curl and pscale. So this is the Linux command that we are using oftenly. So this is how we can install this open curl and use the open code inside the Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.